In this video, how to sleep in a nuclear bunker, how to order drink when the air is pink, and how much contraband you can fit in the pants. Will there be real butter or justice imposter? What is D? Who goes into P? These answers and more in this video. Oh, here is the shower. I've heard of communal, but hallway shower next level. Out of the countless reasons to choose a nuclear fallout bunker is your upcoming accommodation. Here is a secret list of top 5 that only locals know. Number 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. He is Boris! Clear the roads. Boris is back. Yummy, play that shit. Plane taking off in 5 minutes. This guy still cleaning. Equip plane with studded tire. Very good price.
You gotta get down with the bass like
With shot. Sounds delicious. Here we have relax zone. Right next to the men's elevator. Look at this dude. Headphones stuck in Prague mode. Prague! Welcome to glorious Republic of Czechia. Republic of Czech, where the beers are cheap, towers tall, and streets lined with building supplies. Boris joined today by the drinker of drinks, answerer of phones, and maker of the steadiest footage unknown to mankind. Of course it is music mastermind DJ Yami. This is Boris. Here to move in to glorious Cold War nuclear bunker. How does it work? What will happen? Let's find out. But that is all in day 2. For now, let's get back to day 1. Ah, no, they finally found me. That's what I get for paying for premiere that one time. It's worse than I thought. Straight to mental hospital. After being released from mental institution for good behavior, it is advised to find buses skip town. Also mentioning plans to sleep in bunker for the next week results in free bottle of Coca-Cola. Results may vary. Boris was wearing balaclava. Wait and roll this up into a kebab. Unacceptable. 2 beers and a few pizza kebabs in, the real travel could begin. Look at this dude. You know you're supposed to remove the original packaging.
I can sell you this phone for 100 euros if you want.
I'll trade you for a flip. The flop you have to pay extra. Ah yes, Bruno. The city of dreams. As long as those dreams are minimal. January, best time for travel. Everybody has flown south for the winter. Shops closed, atmosphere hopeless. Perfect vibe for sleeping in bunker. No salesman on street. Забавание. Street circus. Going down the Grey Brick Road, which was actually made of concrete. The finest concrete in whole of Czechia revealed, among other things, that the bunker is already closed. The check-in window had already been missed, but hey, better luck tomorrow. Until then, time to find even older house. Very good quality for built in the 1920s. Paint repaired same morning, and interior design straight out of Resident Evil. Room have everything you need. Glass for drink, coffee for rust removal, kettle for foot bath, landline connection for secure transmission to headquarters, and red container for morning wake-up express. Wall good, made of many brick. Safe for practicing kalimba tunes in room. Luxurious refrigeration device in room. Comes with distilled sugar water and bottle of moth repellent. After taking a short ride on the world's first steam-operated elevator, it is time to get the taste of disappointment out of mouth and have a nice, hot check. Why he put checkers piece on my plate? After meal, it's smart to have grocery shop. Unfortunately, the options are mercy or extra large bowl. Beer in shop, very good price, 13 crown. Goes well with ice cream in shape of building block. Okay, I'm starting to get a theme here. In City Darius Comedy Club in theme of Borat. Ah, never mind. One good day, one good night. What? Hold on, I'm saying hello to the manager. Brother, what room is this? Where's your TV on ceiling? There is like barely enough room for tap dancing. After checking out the questionable accommodation of my DJ friend and stealing this low quality footage from our Discord chat, I remember there was a trick for getting better price on room with just VPN. No, this is not the ad yet. It come later. But I was thinking, come on, there could possibly be a smaller room to get than this. But at this point, I had yet not been to the bunker. Foreshadowing. Since I had missed the check-in window the day before and woken up way too early the next day to move into the bunker yet, I do not know how the place stays in business, I had to dump my pockets in the freezing cold to get the beer and glasses out, of course, and start the celebrations early.
With the baseline.
After a luxurious breakfast of pig slices, fried chicken eggs, and, yes, margarine, which I can send back because margarine is just substitute. I noticed waiter in pub yesterday added tip onto the fries. 15%! Which is big deal if it is 2% of your whole travel budget. But you know what is not cheating out of money? The bunker. Relaxing. To get bitter taste out of mouth of this incident, which was the only one during this whole trip, so all in all, pretty good. It is mandatory to touch the porno dragon for good luck. Clearly something that should have been done the first day. Suddenly a notification appeared about there being movie film playing right there in Brno. This opportunity could not be passed up. Walking up to the International House of Squats, the guards expect a payment of toll. Once vibe check clears, entry is permitted. It is a Czech movie. If you have not seen, I do suggest. And not just because the women were balaclava. There was also something else, I can't remember now. Outside, under the sign of no coffee, no worky, the cat distribution service had malfunctioned and generated a pale mania instead. Excellent! I don't think this is how it works, man. Hey, there's a sign about you. Destiny to not miss the check-in window again, we decide to stray not too far from the source and limit intake of beer to 10. Oppa! They got reactor number 5! When you run out of road, you make your own, as long as destination is clear. Cooling tower of reactor number 1. Ooh, look at that. Steam turbine from 1930. 81 megawatts running on something called fossil and gas natural. Must be some new nuclear isotopes they have invented. Also, looks pretty safe if they're planning to build a co-working space inside the plant. That is some umbrella corporation level big brain move.
You gotta get down with the baseline.
Work hard, not smart. As check-in time was closing in, it was time to have 15 more beers before getting locked underground. I bet it's P for pivot. And D is for... This proved too difficult test to understand. In this case, it is better to hold it and leave. This must be the mental institute with its hovering metal cages. Suddenly, horses started looking a bit too long. People seem to be squatting on one heel only. Rules on street started getting more absurd. If we not break the rules, who will? But thankfully, peace and quiet awaited. The bunker, she calls to me. Finally, escape from the noise. Built in a hill under castle, this Cold War nuclear bunker became my new home. Administrator, all my calls. Excellent. They have even stopped the clocks. 10 out of 10 service. And it was time to blast some mutants. Best activity in bunker, approved by Boris. But it only took few minutes of playing Metro to form the next idea. With the help, of course, from our good friends at NordVPN. Man, they didn't even send a script this time. There is no need. Boris, use NordVPN. And you remember the time that my personal information got hijacked because I was using a public unprotected Wi-Fi? Exactly, because it never happened. Boris, use NordVPN. NordVPN.com/lifeofboris. Get a 2-year plan plus 4 months extra. Oh wait, it's only 20 seconds. NordVPN is just not security tool. NordVPN is peace of mind. Click it on, leave it on. You're getting a 2-year subscription plus 4 months extra, so you don't have to worry about it expiring every month. NordVPN is privacy they encrypt your traffic and do not track. And if you're using multiple devices like me, because you're not a one device type of man, who is these days? Then I will let you know one account protects up to 10 devices. That's facts. But here comes the best part. Here comes the meat. You can actually get better price on flights, hotels, even car rentals. This is the infographic. This is the reality. I checked it myself. Same dates, same place. One with VPN, one without. $100 of savings. I will take it. Not need take my word for it. They have 30-day money-back guarantee. nordvpn.com/Boris. And enjoy the smooth sailing. Bunker life, not for everybody. Artificial light, air is pumped in, 4 walls and nowhere to go. Even the rats would rather freeze on the street. But Boris, not everybody. No sunlight, no problem. Need wake-up call? Just ask the bunker operator to blast you some emergency tunes from the speaker. If that don't wake you up, you are not waking up. Time to do the morning rounds. Study the infographics and take notes as needed to keep your knowledge fresh. Have a seat in the briefing room and don't forget the complimentary breakfast. The coffee might be dark, but the light outside is always too bright. Remember, there is no cell reception. The weather is exactly what you imagine it to be. So enjoy the kick and enjoy the sandwich. Because tomorrow, the menu does not change. Actually, nothing much changes in the bunker. Time stop. And you not actually have any idea what day it is. You might actually find that you are the only one in the bunker, because everybody checked that 40 years ago. You're starting to recall how you even got to the bunker, but nothing seems to come to mind. Was there an incident of some kind? Wait, was it left or right? In this corner? When is it supposed to be this? Oh no. I'm still in the bunker. Might as well blast some more mutants. Once the time lock disengage and the vault doors open again, do not be surprised if you step into the 70s. Abandoned places. Excessive neon lights and drinks made from tree bark. Ice creams made in industrial plant. Oh, never mind, this is just the Czech Republic. All culinary comedy aside, you could have at least warmed this sausage up. Come on. Next up, Hiroshima. Or Australia, whichever comes first. And that is all. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.